Hey, welcome back to another day like hell. So, I don't know if you remember, probably about, I don't know, 2 months ago, I was putting that water pump and stuff on here. I was like, man, I need to go and change this AC compressor. I was like, nah, it'll be alright. Well, that thing done died. Wrong horse. That thing done died, so I got, it's gonna be a struggle. This thing is all the way down here. Let's see. See what this line up? That's connected to it. It's the AC compressor. So I'm gonna take this air box off with this air intake off. See if that'll give me a little room. See when I had that water pump off. All this right here. All that. It gave me more than enough space. I can get right to it. Cause I ain't had no coolant lines. I put the radiator and stuff in. But we're gonna see if we can get this thing off. Here we start taking that stuff off. Got that bad boy off. See, this is the water pump right here. That right there is the water pump. And it's sitting right on top of the AC compressor. But, man, that thing in between them darn frame rails. Shoot. I know it's gonna be aggravating to get it up out of here. I know it's gonna be aggravating. I ain't taking that water pump back off. It'd be easy to take the water pump off. I ain't gonna lie. Take the water pump off, drain all the coolant. But I don't feel like draining all the coolant. Then you have to go buy some more coolant. I ain't trying to do all that. But just looking at it, I know I got a screw here, and there's a screw here, and there's two on the bottom. And two on the bottom gonna be a problem child. I'm gonna give me a wrench to get them two out. I need to take these lines off the top first. So, try to get this freon line loose first. There's gonna be a time, there's gonna be a time. I can tell you that already. But your next time I go, my first instinct, take this thing off. I got all the space in the world. So yeah, coming up this slow. It's just coming up real slow. I can't turn it with my hand. But as you can see, try to get the line off right here. Line off right here. And get this off. And I'll try to get them 4 bolts out. That's all it is. This line, 4 bolts. Take the belt off. So let me try to get this line out. I gotta take this skid plate off so I can get to that belt. Gotta take this belt off right here. And this is the compressor. So I just put this tensioner pulley on. You gotta take that belt off. Let's see. This is the bottom of the compressor. I'm trying to see where this damn screws at. I'm about to jack this truck up. It's too low. Oh, that's one right there. That screw right there. Let's see. Get it. That screw right there, that's one. There should be another little other one right here. You can't see it. But gonna take that belt off. Then I'm gonna jack this darn truck up so it ain't so low. I can get my hands up under here. I can get a wrench around that one, no problem. This one, it might be a little issue. But man, how the heck I get that thing out of there? It gotta go up to the top. It ain't coming out down here. So let me see how I'm gonna get this thing out of here. Let's see how I get this belt out. Little extension from ITUT. That's the button to go. How do the thing before? Keep lines in the way. I should have went back with it. Yeah. I should have went back with it. Let's see here. These lines, baby. There we go. Alright, that's all. Now then we're gonna get this AC compressor out of here. This thing gonna be a time. It's gonna be a time. This thing up. There's some light. I'm sure you can see. Yeah, right here flat. Right there. Yeah. my shoulder, so I got to messing that damn grass. I ain't gotta go here. How my damn shoulders, boy. Crazy. I tell you them things, so I ain't gotta go that high. Maybe yes, that might be high now. Man, I gotta get the wheel off the ground. I need to try to go up to the next hole. I kind of spider web from that somewhere, man. So I can get this jack up to the next hole. I'm gonna have that jack on here and this flow jack. You go just a little more, just a little more. There we go. We got it under there. Let's drop this jack down a little bit. Is she coming down? She came down that time. And put a little tension back on it with this jack. Now, there you go. Now you're safe. Let's see if we can get the screw here off right quick. Man. I'm thinking try this thing go. Right, tight, left it loosely. I got to come down with it. I gotta go to the front. Boy, finally got that bottom two screws out. One of them come all the way out. One of them, gotta make sure I put it back in this new compressor before I put it on there. You ain't gonna get, after you put it on there, you ain't gonna get the screw in there. Yeah, I put that thing in before. One of them you can get out. So should be just other two on top. I'm gonna go ahead and put this fertilizer out right quick. Boy, I caught a cramp. Oh my god. I thought about to die this now. That thing hurt so bad. Brought me down to my knees. Go ahead, drink some pickle juice. I had to drink some pickle juice, boy. But I'm about to go and put this fertilizer out right quick. Screw out here. Alright, screw out right there. And then you gotta take this fan shroud off. This thing here. I might have to loosen that fan. Hopefully I don't, but we're gonna find out. I'm about to try to get these screws loose though. But them bottom ones are aggravating. I need to get this back one. Yeah, let me get them screws loose. Let me take this fan shroud off. Them screws on the bottom, boy, them things. I put some WD-40 on them, so I can screw half of it in my hand, but boy, they ain't never been out. And they been giving me hell. Cause you can't turn about a quarter turn with the wrench. You can't get no regular wrench in there. Lay that down, I need that to fall down in there. These pins out. Sit these in here. I gotta worry about the thing going no way. Take this bad boy here out. I got one more set. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing off. We're gonna bend up my darn new radiator. Oh man, I took the bottom one out too. This bottom strap on the key. I gotta take this fan off. God darn it. I ain't gonna have to deal with this thing again. Only way I'm gonna get this thing. I can't get this bottom strap out. I gotta take this damn thing off. Son of a gun. Well, let me get this fan off. Shoot, I don't want to take this off. Let me get it out. See if we can get this compressor out of here now. We got space now. Bust up my damn pen. But I finally got this thing. Oh. Short screw, long screw. Let's see. Gotta undo this wire. This back in here. see how this thing connected. Come on. Oh yeah, I got knocked over. Come on, stand up. Come on. Let's see. Trying to see how this thing is clipped in. That should have helped. Let's see. Yeah, I just don't want to stand up, huh? Yeah, I had a clip in there. Yeah. And this thing, see, I told you this thing got a plug on the back. This one I got ain't got no plug on the back. This is something I'm supposed to take out. So you see I got that old one out. Here go the new one. Let's see, that's the fan and the shroud. Now I gotta see how to get that son of a gun out. Cause it sits in the back of that one. So, let me figure that out.